Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got a game changer for all you design enthusiasts. And have you ever wanted to use those stunning Adobe fonts in applications outside the Adobe ecosystem? Well, you are in the right place. I recently faced this very challenge when I want to bring Adobe fonts into my other softwares like Filmora, DaVinci Resolve, Cinema 4D projects. Guess what? I figured it out, and today I'm going to share the secrets with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Alright friends, normally activating Adobe fonts is a very easy within Creative Cloud apps. But what about Adobe software? So here we are in the Creative Cloud app. Head over to the apps tab on the far left. Now pay attention to the left sidebar. We are headed to manage fonts. Click on that. In the Manage Fonts section, you can see all the Adobe fonts you currently have active. And here is the kicker, if you want to use these fonts outside Adobe apps, you need to install them. See this little button next to each font? It's your golden ticket. Click on Install Family and you have just unleashed the font for non-Adobe applications. It's like giving your fonts a passport to explore the digital world beyond Adobe's borders. Once you have installed the font, it magically appears in your font library in other applications as well. Simply select it and there you have it. Adobe fonts seamlessly integrated into any software. And there you have it guys. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and hit that notification bell so you never miss our creative exploration. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay creative and keep pushing those boundaries. This is Ishwar from PS Desire signing off.